Halor ka Jingpoi Khaw balamang na ka ICDS scheme Boko Assam ka sorkar jylla ka thaw ka committee ka ban khmih but Tohkit but on khlieh ka ni ka jingtohkit do Justice Mool Chand Garg nongbishar bala shongthait jaga Madhya Pradesh High Court. Umentri katanat social welfare umakirmen shalla ka sibalang medakateo ulai thu bakane ka committee ka haban IT ka kaipot bakhado halor ka jingtohkit Hapoh ka Bnai nadu bapinmi ya ka jingpen bana.
Number one is that inquiry into the matter of rice allotted to Continental Milk Roast India Limited for the Supplementary Nutrition Program SMP found in a private godown in Boko Assam and seized by Assam police. And number two is inquiry into the quality of fortified supplementary nutrition programs, food items being supplied to the children, pregnant and lactating women under the Integrated Child Development Service schemes, and whether any testing is done and whether it is as per the norms. Then number three is inquiry into whether the quantity of food reaching the beneficiaries is as per norms. These are the three terms and conditions. Then even we have put this also, the final report of the inquiry shall be submitted within 3 months.